What's going on, guys? It's your boy F Fernandez once again. Before you do anything, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, turn that notification to on so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. Here we're gonna do somewhat of a transformation. He got tired of having so much hair on top. We're gonna start with the 1.5. It's really tangled, so I'm going in very slowly, and we are gonna go with the grain.
Avísame si tú estás descarrilada, que yo ando realingo, pa' donde que tú vas a hacer maldades y la intimidad. Vamos a portarnos mal. Tú estás bien descarrilada, tú estás anda escapada, tú estás bien descarrilada. Ella anda fugada, tú estás bien descarrilada.
It is always recommend that when cutting hair to always have a brush in your hand so you could comb the hair as you go and get the excess hair completely off. Here I'm going to be using the half guard on the close position, and we're going to start creating our first guideline. As I create the first guideline, what we do on one side, we're going to do on the next. I'm going to open it about halfway, and I'm going to continue blending towards the top until I open it, the level completely open, and I'm also going to go with the grain on the top to achieve a desired blend. So once we finish our process, I'm going to grab my trimmers, and he wants the sideburns and the rear of the neck faded out, so we're going to do a little taper as well. So I'm going to create my first guideline on the sideburn area, and since I got the trimmers already in my hand to save some time, I'm going to etch the rest of it as well, like on the side of the neck and on the front of the hairline as well. Like that, I don't have to go ahead and grab them once again. I find out that over time this saves me time on the haircut and is easier for me. Once we get to the front edge on the forehead, I like to start in the middle and work my way towards the outside. As we finish the edging process, I'm going to grab my shavers, stretching the skin slightly up, and I'm going to start shaving the sideburn area, the face, rear of the neck, or the side of the neck. Like this, I don't have to grab the shavers again later on and save some time. Now I'm going to grab my machine, I'm going to open it all the way up. I'm going to close it halfway, and I'm going to start blending that first guideline. Now I'm going to be using the corners of the teeth to achieve a better blend. Always comb your hair out. You could close the machine a little bit more to get those darker areas out. You could open it, just play with it a little bit.
Se sigue escuchando en toda Latinoamérica, pero yo me acuerdo el party de Marquesina, entrando bien y yo de cantar como Chesina, un reggaetón del pesado del bueno, como lo hacía DJ Negro y Playero, mucha gata, mucho bling bling, mucho perreo, mucho sandungueo, mucho respeto al maleanteo, mucho volteo. carajo la mente sana. Yo lo que quiero es marihuana.
Now the same process we did on the sideburn area, we're gonna do on the rear of the neck. Exactly the same process. We're gonna use the same on the back and on the other side as well. Those are the edges. I'm bolding or creating the first guideline. Again, shaver. Then we're gonna use the clippers, halfway open, using the level to achieve a better blend, using the corners of the tooth to get those hairs out.
Recordando los viejos tiempos en homenaje a la vieja escuela, Yacal, la real esencia. Y sí, Cristian, dile que somos el motor de la ciudad. Fecuas. Tú tienes algo en tu mirada que me hipnotiza cada vez que tú me hablas. Será tu pelo, tu linda cara y esa sonrisa que me dice eres malvada.
Now with your razor, we're gonna start cleaning what we created with the trimmers. We're not creating a new line. All we're doing is getting just a sharper edge. Keeping it as natural as possible. You could use your desired shaving gel as well. Sometimes, depending on the client's skin, I use no gel at all. It creates a sharper line itself.
Es conmigo que tú quieres sentir muchas cosas que te haga vivir, bailar que conmigo.
Alright, so that's pretty much the finished product here, guys. The finished cut. He wants a little enhancement, not much, so we're gonna apply a little bit of enhancement to make it pop a little bit more, not much, just very lightly. Then with your brush, you can comb it down to smear it a little bit better. I hope that you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. It will mean definitely a lot to me. I'll see you guys in the next round.